If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this is the unboxing of SoundCore Select 4 Go Ultra Portable Bluetooth Speaker by Anker. This SoundCore Select 4 Go Ultra Portable Bluetooth Speaker by Anker has an impressive 20-hour battery life and it is also waterproof. You can enjoy up to 20 hours of non-stop music on a single charge, perfect for extended outdoor adventures and all-day gatherings. This portable Bluetooth speaker is IP67 rated for full protection against dust and water and can even float, making it ideal for trips to the beach or to enjoy by the pool. The lightweight design and built-in strap make it easy to carry this outdoor Bluetooth speaker anywhere, whether you're hiking, biking, or just out for a stroll. You may enable True Wireless Stereo (TWS) pairing to connect two portable speakers wirelessly for an immersive stereo experience. The software gives you the flexibility to select 4Go portable speaker uses a customizable Pro EQ to find the perfect sound for any song or vibe. It also has a surprisingly punchy 5W sound. It may be small, but this compact Bluetooth speaker packs a punch with clear and dynamic 5W sound. This is one of those all too rare occasions where I'm impressed. Sound quality is always top of the list for me. Nothing else matters if you can't stand listening to the speakers, and for small, lightweight speakers these are remarkably good. Ease of use comes next, and if things don't pair easily I simply can't be bothered with them. No problems here, and unusually the stereo profile as mentioned earlier is retained between use. Fantastic. 20 hours of battery life are claimed, and to be honest I have no clue if that's accurate, but what I do know it's more than enough for me and probably most others. Form factor is nice enough with a combination of textile or rubber. The last thing to talk about, and perhaps the most significant part, is the value for money these offer. I don't profess to understand SoundCore's product strategy, but in my experience with numerous of their products, what you pay and the experience you get is not a linear relationship. I have paid top money for some of their kit and come away wishing I hadn't bothered, but on some notable occasions I've been blown away by how good something is in relation to what I spent. This is one such occasion. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.